Yeah, I'm coming at you from both angles. Now, you in that Bay Area, Mom, you didn't want to come ride with me, but you know, this is what I'm doing. I'm with my Newport cats. Hello, you know what I'm saying? No, but I mean, the Bay Area, we can't do this in the Bay Area. It's too rowdy in the Bay. Hello, what you doing right now? You in the Bay right now. Hello, hey, make up catch a little shot. I'm drinking, smoking, hello, blowing like Scarface. What is it? Hey, what is she doing right now? Hello, you feel me? Hey, you can catch up. We on the boat, we moving. See the water? Hello? Are you moving right now? Or are you sitting still? You in the Bay, you sitting still. Hello, hey. Hello? Hello? Hey, can I tell you something? Hey, don't drop my phone in the water, bro. Hey, sit up. I don't even play for Denver Broncos. See them NFL cats? Look. Hey, nobody in this boat. Hey, look. Ain't none of these cats play for NFL, but you better believe they are right. Hello? Ghost riding the boat.